Crystal with MrsHappyHomemaker.com here, and you guys, I have been making these brown sugar cinnamon muffins for well over 20 years now. One of my family's most favorite recipes. They only have 7 ingredients, and they are filled with brown sugar and cinnamon. Yum, you guys. These are so good, so easy, and they freeze great too. Let me show you how to throw them together. I'm gonna start off by mixing 1 3/4 cup of self-rising flour with 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm going to mix my flour and my sugar together. And if you don't have self-rising flour, then you can use all-purpose flour instead. Just add 2 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder plus 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Now to my bowl that my flour was in, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of applesauce. So I mix that together. I'm going to add this to my flour. And I mix that together. Now I'm going to take this batter and I'm going to fill these muffin cups about 1/4 of the way full with it. And then I'm going to fill them with the brown sugar and cinnamon, and I'm going to top it with a little bit more batter to seal it in. Now I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit of brown sugar. And now I'm just going to cover the muffins with some more batter, about the same amount that I put on the bottom. Now I'm going to sprinkle the tops of these muffins with a little bit more brown sugar and cinnamon. I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to pop these in and cook them for about 15 to 18 minutes. And they are out of the oven and smelling fantastic. Hot, hot, hot. I am so impatient when it comes to good food. All right, y'all ready for this? Look at that brown sugar cinnamon filling, you guys. It is steaming hot too, but boy, this is so good. If you like this recipe, then check out my blog, MrsHappyHomemaker.com.